If I could sleep forever, I would get lost in the world I would create. The things that I could accomplish would be beyond award winning. As a creator, you dream. You dream about the next shot, the next biggest project. You are constantly dreaming. If somebody woke me up and told me I had to tell you what my dream was, I would tell you my dream as a creator would be to create a brand. A brand that people were super proud to support, that left behind a positive impact. A brand that just kept creating and that people enjoyed. The real question is, can I make my dream a reality? There's no better time than now to start.